Bro, after you get a haircut like this, this is called quarantine selfies. Even if you're not going nowhere, you gotta get ready. Take a shower, put on the freshest clothes you got, bro. Do everything all fresh, and just stay in your room and take selfies. I can hear the comments already. What is he doing? That is not professional. Great cutting. That's completely incorrect. Put your head up like this. All right, cool. Okay, it's for all those people talking about, I'm gonna push his line back. Look, bro, I could make him a line up right here. You know what I'm saying? Am I going to? No. You push his line back. Of course I'm not gonna go right here. That's common sense. You know what I'm saying? So you wanna do it somewhere in between. Like that, you gotta tap it twice. Look. Are you looking? Are you watching? Are you looking? You gotta make sure to pay attention to what I'm doing right now. Can you see? All right, cool. That's good. Cause London Bridge is falling down. Down me. In high school, you was the man, homie. cut right here. Boy, you crispy, boy. KFC right here, extra crispy. Said, oh my God. He said, oh my God. You like it, bro? Are you sure? You can't even look at yourself, bro. Look at how fresh you look, bro. You crispy right now. Boy, you gonna send your girlfriend a picture right now. You can't even look at yourself. It's so good. He closed his eyes like, oh my God, like,